So now since morning we don't do they clean this place. My mates they don't even come out safe. They wait for motor. Then come carry everything come out.
Wow, that's good. So where are you from?
Where are you from?
Yes.
I'm from Edo State.
Edo State.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. So what is your name?
My name?
Yes, your name.
My name now.
Pardon? Come again. I mean, what is your name? Your name. I forget.
Now my name I call for you now.
Say it again. Spell them.
I don't feel spell them.
That be your name. I don't feel spell them.
If you know say we no go school now. If you feel help me spell them.
Okay. I come again. I help you spell them. Jesus. How would they spell it for you? Where was that from?
Simple. It's not very simple now.
Where was that from?
Why they cry now?
Tell them again.
I know they make you cry.
Tell them again.
How many times I'll call the name for you?
Uvuvwevwevwe.
The person spell them before say they very easy.
You wicked.